children, come, take your seats, and listen attentively.
Yes, sir.
Look at these pictures. Look at these pictures of boys in action in the football game. Do you see this boy doing a flying tackle and at the same time holding the ball? Why is a quarterback in this game? In this football game. Well, you there, Peter and Robert, stop chatting and whispering to one another. And you, John, quit wriggling your body. And you, Mark, put your foot down. Okay, stop chewing. That's better, children. And now, where am I? Oh, yes, I remember. Now the second picture shows the passing of the ball in a very skillful manner. Take note of this boy. Take note of this boy's hand passing the ball. Isn't he an expert player? I hope you two could be like him. Well, children, are you enjoying this picture? Alright, everybody, run around now.
Wala.